Okay, let's look at the homework 4.5, 4.6, number 1. Right? So part A, we want to find the derivative using implicit differentiation. And for part B, we're going to do explicit differentiation. Right? So let's do that. Right, so for part A, we're going to just go ahead and take the derivative directly from the equation. So let's do that. So that's going to give you, right, derivative of 7x squared. This is with respect to x, right? So it's going to be 2 times 7 is 14x, and subtract 1 from the first power, right? Derivative of negative 2y would be negative 2. Then you have dy over dx, right? You can use y prime if you want instead of dy over dx. Right, derivative of negative 19 is 0, since the negative 19 is a constant. Right, and 0 is a constant, so derivative is 0. Right, then we can just simplify by, right, first I'm going to put negative 14x to the other side by subtracting negative 14x, right? This will get you negative 2 times dy over dx, which is equal to negative 14x, right? Then we're going to just divide through by negative 2. Right, you get the dy over dx is equal to, right, negative 14 by negative 2 would be 7. Then you have the x, right? So that's 7x, right? So let's type it in. Right, so I guess this one you just have to do term by term. So this is going to be just 14x, right? Check that, right? Got it. Right, 2y is 2 y prime, right? So check the answer, right? Got that. And 19, derivative of 19 is 0 because it's a constant, right? Check that. Right, so derivative of 0 is 0, right? So check the answer, right? We got that. All right, so y prime came out to be, what was it? It was 7x, 7x, oops, I have to type it in, 7x, all right? Then check the answer, all right? We got that, right? So part B, we have to solve for y, right? So let's do that. All right, for part B, we're going to solve this equation for y first. So first thing we need to do is we need to move 7x squared onto the other side by subtracting 7x squared. And also I'm going to move negative 19 to the other side by adding 19. Right, so you will get negative 2y is equal to, right, negative 7x squared plus 19. Right, then divide through by negative 2. Right, this will give us y is equal to 7 over 2 x squared minus 19 over 2. Right, so we have that. Then we take the derivative. So derivative with respect to x, right? You have y prime is going to be equal to 2 times 7 over 2 is obviously 7. 2's cancel out. Then you have x to the first power. Derivative constant is 0. So you have 7x, right? So you have, let's see, go back and let's type it in. right? So you have y, just solving for y, so you have 7 over 2 x squared, right, minus, let's see, actually it's going to be plus 19 over 2. Actually, it was minus 19. Let's see, all right, so let's check the answer. All right, got that. All right, then derivative is of course the same, 7x. Check that. All right, got that. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.